guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got a new toy. All right, guys. Yep, I stepped up. Got the Redcat Ascent-32, which is called the Ascent-32. Check it out. I got the blue one. It's right there. Can't wait to open it up. I do have the aftermarket parts that Endura. I do have the aftermarket parts Endura just came out with. They will be a couple weeks out because they're coming from China, but can't wait to add that after I see how well this runs on stock. So let's open her up and see what you get. All right, guys, let's open her up and see what's inside. Instructions. Pull her right up. Packaged very well. Nice little truck. All right, you got your charger right here, a couple little tools. You got a nice little remote and a tiny, tiny car. See the battery falling out. Now let's open her up, see what we got. I'm not sure how this opens. Oh, you got a little twist here, like that. You twist right there, the body comes undone and lifts straight up, just like that. And here's the small battery already plugged in. Goes right here. Yeah, not much to it, guys, but it's pretty cool. Comes right off. All right, guys, to compare this Ascent-32 to the Apex 1/18 scale, there you go. Pretty much go like that, just to give you a size comparison. I know this is 1/18 versus 132. I don't have the Redcat 24, but there you go. We'll charge the battery and see how well she drives. All right, guys, all charged. You can see pretty good turning radius. Pretty good servo in here. Just have a little obstacle just to get over. No problem. See about a little incline test, see how well it goes over this. Could probably jump it. This thing has some strength. Woo! Do it from the other side. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, it'll climb. This will be kind of neat. If we do this. Climbs right up. That's kind of a success. All right, let's see if this will work. Wow, pretty good. And all down. All right, guys, we're gonna do a 51, almost 52 degrees. 51.85 is the degrees. It's going, guys. Left front is off the board, but we got 3 wheels tight on this thing all the way up. It does not break, so you can see right now I'm not doing anything and it's going back down, but for the capability of this, that's pretty good, guys. I'm gonna make it up. I'm gonna have a hard time at the top of this, but that's all right. Oh, here we go, guys. Can I get it to connect here? Don't fall. Oh, we got it. Did it. Made it. Again, if you like what you're seeing, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next time, thanks for watching.